simple future tense is used in order to talk about an action or event that is yet to happen. I shall study now. You could use I shall or I will. It is perfectly alright. I shall or will study now. You will miss your class. Both these sentences describe future action, an action or event that is about to happen. Form or structure of simple future tense. Simple future tense is formed by using helping verbs like shall and will along with the first form of the verb. Subject plus shall or will plus first form of the verb. This is the structure of simple future tense. Shall is used with first person singular I as well as plural we, but for practical purposes shall or will can both be used with I and we. With second person you, singular or plural, will is used to indicate future tense. With third person singular he, she and plural they, will is used to indicate future tense. Examples: I or we shall buy sweets. You could also say I or we will buy sweets. You will buy sweets. He or she or they will buy sweets. In negative sentences, negative is formed by adding not to will or shall, subject plus shall or will, not plus first form of the verb. So, examples: I shall or will not buy sweets. You will not buy sweets. He, she or they will not buy sweets. Interrogative. In simple future tense, interrogative is formed by putting shall or will before the subject. Shall or will plus subject plus first form of the verb. Examples: shall or will I buy sweets? Will you buy sweets? Will he or she or they buy sweets? Please remember, simple future tense means simple, pure future without indicating any intention, promise or planning. It merely states that a certain action will happen in future, in time to come. In order to emphasize the planning, a few things have to be kept in mind. But simple future tense has many other uses as well.